Afternoon there, campers. Hope everyone's keeping well. Camera's probably picking it up, so apologies for any wind noise. It's forecast to be a bit windy in the mid 45 miles an hour area. As you can probably see, we're just walking past some office buildings and we're just approaching some houses just here. And today I'm off out doing a urban camp, something I've not done before apart from in the garden or something as a child. So I'm heading over that direction, just that tree area there. I'm looking forward for this. I haven't been out for a while. I think it was, well, I know it was August the last time I was out on a camp. So happy days, looking forward to it. It's quite a stunning area around here, even though it's urban just there. You could think you were miles from anywhere just looking at that, wouldn't you? Right, I'm gonna carry on making my way to where I want to set up, and I'll spin you around just now and we'll have a little look at that. Right, I thought I'd just set up in this location here, just between these trees. We can just make them office buildings out through the trees there, but look at this. This looks spectacular. It's part of a nature reserve, this, so I'm going to keep everything low key as possible. Keep my fire in the firebox, I think. There we go, look at that. How's that for a view? If we get any sunshine, it should come up in that direction. Right, I'm going to get this pack off because it weighs a ton. I'll get back over here. There we have my tarp set up. That should give me plenty of shelter from the wind and the rain if we get it tonight. I've gone for the plough formation. This is the first time I've ever done this configuration. So this a little bit untidy, could do with a little bit of work, but here, two friends of mine, both on YouTube, gave me the idea of doing this. They both used this configuration over the last week. Firstly was Lundy from Lundy's Wild Camping and Bushcraft. He camped using this formation, and Justin from JJ Outdoors, he's also used this configuration over the last week, and I thought it'd be a great little setup for me to use tonight. So I'm gonna crack on now and get the rest of my gear set up and get my firebox lit. It should be getting dark soon. There we have it, there's home for the night. I'm using the Snugpak Stratosphere hoop bivvy, canny bit of kit, and inside there I've got the bouncing bomb, the British Arctic sleeping bag, and I've just got a inflatable mat, a foil mat, and just a cheap ground sheet thing underneath. So that should keep me fairly warm. I know I'm sheltered from the wind. I'm going to set up and put my firebox just out there. But yeah, liking it. Right, as you can see, it's dark. The temperature is dropping quite a bit. I'm getting a little bit chilly, so I think it's time I got this firebox lit, get some warmth, get some food on the go, because I'm getting a little bit hungry now as well. Right, I'm warming up nicely by this fire. It's making a massive difference. It was getting quite chilly, and I think it's time to crack open a beer. I brought 3 out with me tonight. One of them is by Vocation Brewery, and it's called Providence, and that's a New England Pale Ale, and that one's about 5.2%. So that's getting cracked open just now.
The other two, this one is by Hop of the Dots, and it's a oat milk brownie stout. That one's quite a heavy hitter. That's about 10. That is 10%. So couldn't drink too many of them. And this last one will probably send me to bed. This one's called Atom, and it's a barrel-aged neutron star coffee and vanilla imperial stout, and that one's 12%. So you definitely wouldn't be able to manage many of those ones. Man, that one was nearly £8 for a beer. So I hope it's good. Right, I'm going to crack one open now and sit and enjoy that before I crack on cooking some food. And cheers everyone. That's nice and hoppy. Got really nice subtle taste. Right, I'm going to enjoy this. Well, we've got the rain, but that isn't going to dampen my spirits. It's time to get some food on. I've brought out with me today some veggies that are already pre-prepared, par cooked, seasoned with salt, black pepper and some garlic. And I've also brought out with me some lamb chops and a gammon steak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the veggies on first, leave them by the firebox to keep warm while I cook the rest. So what I'm going to do here is brought some butter. I'm going to chuck that in, chuck it in, put it in. There we go. Nice little slab of butter. Some olive oil. And I'll get the veggies in. We'll get them on to cook. Well, warm through. There we go. Lid on. A little bit more wood on. Firebox. There we go. Get them on. These veggies are done, so I'm going to put them to one side and get the gammon steak on. We'll just pop them down there to keep warm. Pop the lid on. Let's have a little look at this gammon steak. Well, that's looking spot on. Check it over. Oh, look at that. That's about ready to come off that now, like. What I'm going to do is put it on top of my veggies. Then all the juices can drip off that onto my veg. There we go. I'll put that back there to stay warm. Get these chops on. Right, I'd definitely say they're cooked. Looking yummy. And I'm definitely looking forward for this, so we'll get it all plated up. Right. Get that gammon on that plate. Oh, yeah. Get that gammon on there. Some veg. Get them on there as well. Bloody hell. A bit more wood on the old firebox. What a feast. Let's try this. Try that veg first, I think. unreal. Let's try the lamb. It's where the magic is. Delicious. Well, I'm gonna enjoy this, enjoy that, enjoy the beer, and get back to you in a bit. Well, that was unbelievably good. I can't believe I ate that. What a treat. It was delicious. Now it's time for another beer. I'm going for the Hoppin' Dots oat milk stout. So we'll give this a try now. Bloody hell, that's delicious. Doesn't seem 10%, seems. Oh, that's amazing. That really is good. Right, I'm gonna enjoy this and just chill now. Keep the firebox going and just enjoy being out. Gosh, God, that's me. I'm ready for my bed. I'm tucked up in my bivvy now. I'm gonna get my head down, get some sleep, and hopefully feel nice and fresh in the morning. Tonight's been absolutely awesome. Really enjoyed it. Enjoyed the couple of beers I had. I've enjoyed chilling by the firebox, and it's just good being back out. Absolutely fantastic. I'd like to thank you for watching up to now, and I'll get back to you in the morning. Bye for now and good night. Good morning. This has been an absolute fantastic camp. Last night was brilliant. I really enjoyed it. I feel so chilled out. It was nice just coming out, sitting, chilling, watching the fire in the firebox, cooking a nice meal, enjoying a couple of beers, and turned in about 11:30. Then slept till about 3:30. But yeah, it's been good. Drifted out to sleep after that. But yeah, I feel so chilled. Now I'm just sitting here by the firebox, enjoying a brew. Enjoy a few more hours here before I start packing up and heading back to the car and going home. But this doesn't get much better. Absolutely loving it. Right, that's me all packed up, ready to rock and roll, ready to get myself home. This is the area where I was set up. I was just set up down there, all nice and tidy. Just a little bit drier than the rest of the area where my tarp was set up. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed being out. It's been great. I thank you very much if you've watched it to the end. Please give it a like. It's much appreciated, and I believe it helps the channel. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated as well. I've just got a couple of bags down here, bag of rubbish and just my dirty pots. I don't want to put them in my rucksack because obviously I was cooking lamb and that last night and it'll be covered in fat. So we'll grab them and we'll make our way out. Right, bye for now, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.